Concerns about China's reopening are boiling down to economics and imperialism, and it's quite a divide between Wall Street and Washington on this one. Seema Modi is here with the issues that both are highlighting.
Yeah, exactly, Kelly. Policy experts at the Council on Foreign Relations shared grave concerns about China during a key meeting last week. This prospect of an invasion of Taiwan to the alleged spy balloon and the impact on business ties with American companies was high on the agenda. Stephen Roach, the former head of Morgan Stanley Asia, saying U.S.-China relations have reached, quote, a crisis point. Yet on Wall Street, the mood could not be more optimistic. Goldman Sachs pointing to mobility data, including highway traffic and subway usage across China now above pre-COVID levels, and the default rate for the country property sector falling in recent weeks. Goldman's head of EM cross-asset strategy, Cesar Masri, telling CNBC the story around China is moving from the reopening to a recovery. He's betting on earnings and not valuation to drive the next leg of growth. Case in point, Alibaba today with a massive earnings beat, the stock up about 60% from its recent lows. Masri also expects policymakers to double down on a pro-growth tone in upcoming meetings, including China's annual development forum and the National People's Congress in March. So clearly a divide when you talk to foreign policy pros and investors on China, Kelly.
You know, at some point, let's put it this way, if Washington were to signal or say that they didn't want, there to be this kind of investment relationship, this business relationship. I mean, we had Wyndham on last week, the CEO, maybe earlier this week, and China's a big growth story for them, So I could understand that the geopolitics of it, people are worried, but I'm not sure what business people and investors are supposed to do in the meantime other than try to do what they do everywhere. Figure out, okay, well, what's growth right now and where are the earnings opportunities?
It was an interesting conversation I had with Teneo Intelligence. They said that growth is a prerequisite to really care about the foreign policy and geopolitical risks. And I think right now the U.S. considers China a strategic competitor. But to your point, if things get even worse, the question is, do investors continue to overlook these geopolitical concerns? These meetings coming up in the next few weeks could provide some level of intel as to how Chinese leaders are not only thinking about growth inside the country, but also the relationship with the United States. And if we see that meeting that Secretary Blinken was supposed to have with Chinese leaders in China, he then postponed it because of the spy balloon.
Right.
If that gets back on the agenda, that will be important too. Yeah,